Yolo the Queen was born on December 5 in Burundi, East Africa. Her astrological sign is Sagittarius. Yolo the Queen was born and raised in Burundi and Rwanda. She lives in Burundi and Rwanda. According to Yolo, she stated that she has a diploma in journalism. However, she did not specify when she obtained the diploma and with which institution, as she preferred to keep much of her life private. The Hourglass Beauty has been active on social media platforms since March 2020. Yolo the Queen has become a phenomenon on social media, thanks to her unique hourglass shape. The Burundian Rwandan Queen is actually among the most successful social media influencers in East Africa. She is the only woman in Burundi and Rwanda who had associated with the international rapper, Drake, and Tanzanian superstar, Harmonize. The Champagne Poppy is also one of her followers on Instagram, with other 258,000 followers who can't get enough of her stunning hourglass figure. Yolo the Queen's slogan is "Wake, Pray and Slay," and she always proves to be the queen of the slayers. Yolo the Queen stands 5 feet 9 inches tall or 175 centimeters, hip size, 51 inches or 129 centimeters, body type, hourglass. She has a beautiful dark hair and brown eyes. Color, marital status, single, nationality, Burundian Rwandan.